In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign on Pandadoc. We'll walk through the entire process from opening your document all the way to finalizing it so it's ready to send. Even if you're completely new to Pandadoc, by the end of this video, you'll know exactly where to click and what each option means. First, start by opening the document where you want to add your signature. This might be a contract, an agreement, a proposal, or any kind of form you need to sign. Make sure you're in the correct document and that it's the final version you want to sign, because once a document is fully signed and sent, making changes usually means creating a new version. With the document open, look for the option to add fields and locate the signature field. You're going to drag and drop this signature field onto the document. Click and hold the signature field, then drag it to the exact spot where your signature needs to appear and release it there. Take a second to line it up properly with any existing text or signature line so the document looks clean and professional. Next, double-click the signature field you just placed. This opens up the signature options so you can choose how you want your signature to appear. Pandadoc typically gives you three main choices: draw, type, or upload. If you select draw, you can use your mouse or trackpad to draw your signature by hand. This gives you a more personalized, handwritten look. If you choose type, you'll type your name, and Pandadoc will automatically turn it into a signature-style font. This is quick and neat, and works well if you don't have a device that's easy to draw on. Finally, if you pick Upload, you can upload an image of your existing signature from your computer. This is useful if you already have a scanned or saved version that you like to use. Once you've picked the style you're happy with, click Accept and Sign. This will apply your chosen signature to the field you created and lock it in place as your official signature on the document. To finish the process, go to the top of the screen and click Review and Send. This is your chance to double-check everything. Make sure the signature is in the right place, confirm that all pages look correct, and verify that there are no missing fields. When you're satisfied, follow the prompts to send or finalize the document depending on your workflow. And that's it. You've successfully added your signature and completed the signing process in Pandadoc.